Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the VH indicator for MT4. This versatile custom tool measures either volume intensity or volatility strength to spot significant price moves, early trend shifts, and potential breakout conditions. In this video, you will see how the VH indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The VH indicator MT4, short for volume high or volatility height, depending on its developer's approach, is a custom indicator designed to measure either market volume intensity or volatility strength. It is based on the idea that volume and volatility often precede price movements, with volume spikes and volatility surges acting as precursors to large directional moves in most financial markets. The VH indicator attempts to isolate these moments and present them graphically to alert traders to impending market action through a signal line. You can already see it on the charts. The VH indicator generally appears directly on the main chart, and common visual components include a dotted line with color changes representing shift in market behavior and when specific conditions align with price action. The indicator analyzes historical price bars and volume data using tick volume, true range, price change magnitude, or rate of change to generate outputs that traders interpret for entry, stop loss adjustment, or trap avoidance. As for the settings, let's take a look. Okay, we can basically customize the colors, our preferred colors, and then our preferred time frames as well. As for who is for, the VH indicator is suitable for scalpers and day traders who benefit from detecting spikes in market activity that precede sharp price changes in lower time frames, and for risk management to identify extreme volatility periods for exposure reduction or position size adjustment. It works well when combined with moving averages to establish trend direction and take VH signals aligned with dominant trends. MACD or RSI to confirm momentum shifts, support and resistance levels to validate breakouts or rejections, and candlestick patterns for early entries. However, the indicator has no predictive capability and reacts to conditions rather than forecasting them. May produce false signals in low volume or low liquidity markets, needs context and should not be used alone, and custom versions vary in calculations and display formats requiring testing. You can download the VH indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how monitoring volume intensity and volatility shifts can reveal market energy that price action alone cannot always show for improved timing and decision making. If you like volume and volatility indicators that precede price movements, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.